Hello people, welcome back into this channel. So in this video, I will let to show you the way how you can add the dynamic transitions on your video with the Capcut application. Open your Capcut, open your project, and now in this project you just need to make sure that you have more than one clip here. So on my project I have this two clip, and I would like to add the transition between these two clips. So you just need to add the transition by tap into this icon that link or connect between these two clips here, and that could be bring you into the transitions options, and then you just need to wait until everything is popping up. So you just need to find the transitions that you want to use here. You can got this pull in, and now you can see that the clip is being mixed together, and it could make the movement from one clip to another being so smooth. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy this, and let's meet again into other tutorial.